Hey guys, how are you? So in honor of my birthday, I thought we would make some cotton candy champagne drinks. Very easy to make, nothing big. As you can see here, I have my champagne flute. I've got some cotton candy ready to go. And I've got my champagne. Normally you would want to probably do rosé, but I didn't have any, so you got to make it work with whatever. Another star of the show is this really cute edible glitter. It's by Fancy Sprinkles, and let me show you how we do it here. So let's get this bottle open. Hopefully I don't hurt myself here. And there we go. Woo! Going out tonight with the girls. So this is the outfit. I got some boots that have a kitten heel, this really cute blazer, and a sequin white skirt. So let's go ahead and pour the champagne. So you got to take your time with this because it does bubble a lot. You want to just pour it to the side. That's what I heard, at least, that it'll create less bubbles this way if you tilt the glass. I don't know why it's looking blurry. Oh, I think that was a little too much. I think that's all we'll do for today. Then next, yeah, you definitely want to probably do rosé champagne because it'll be more of a pinkish color rather than like this champagne color. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop in some of the edible glitter. Now there's really no amount, but once you do that, you can just blend it. Okay, there we go. I turned the drink pink and there we go. Whoa. It caused it to go over. Okay. Okay. Making a mess here. So here we go. Let's see, why is it looking blurry? This is the champagne. Okay, that's better. I think I had it in cinematic mode on the iPhone. So here's the cotton candy. And there we go. Now you could pour a little bit in. All it's gonna do is it's gonna melt right away. See, it dissolved. It actually turned the drink more pink. But look at how beautiful. Do you see the glitter? Isn't that beautiful? I mean, putting the cotton candy on top is really for looks. Cheers.